This might be a hot take, but I think the single most important thing to get right for any ecom brand is having a good logo. It's the first thing people see when they go to your profile, it's the first thing they see on your store, it's plastered on top of all of your products. A good logo can really make or break a brand. Like, think about it. I don't care what your product is. If you make a logo that's just black and white with Comic Sans font, you're not going to get any sales. I guarantee it. I have no design skills, so I found an AI tool that makes my logos for me in like 10 seconds. If you're in the same boat, this is going to be your savior. I promise. Check it out. This is an AI web based design tool called Kittl. I use it for everything graphic design related for my ecom brands. They have templates for t shirts, Instagram posts, announcements, anything you need, but we're going to be focusing on logos today. For this example, we're going to be making a logo for a gym supplement company. So I'm just scrolling through all the Kittl logos to find one that I like for my niche. I thought this one was pretty sick, so we're going to start here. Everything on it is customizable, so we can just change this text to our brand name, and then we're good. I changed the main text to our brand name, and I don't really want this text here at all, so I'm just going to remove it. And there we go. We have a logo in 10 seconds. That took me less than a minute, and it's better than anything a Fiverr designer has ever given me. If you want to try Kittl for yourself, you can use code EricDoesEcom for 50% off a pro plan. That's a huge discount. I know it still costs money, but you need to be willing to invest in your brand if you actually want to see results. You can't just do the bare minimum and expect to get sales that way. You need to actually invest in your brand, and it starts with getting a good logo made.